Faino shiagushanio cia chapa dimba na Safaricom cigukuruskire kira kauntini ya Kakamega kiharani kia Bukungu o domwe na kiharo gia thukuru wa Kamega High wiki yoke tariki 22 nginyagia tariki 25. Ahotani aicigo 8 megukorwo making'ethanira kuria Muhotani egukorwo kinukia kimanji gia ciringi milioni 1 hamwe na mweka gukorwo magicera bururi-ini wa Ngeretha kuria magakorwo magicemana captain wa timu ya Harambee Stars na muthaki wa kirabu gia Tottenham Hotspurs niwe Victor Mugubi Wanyama. Akeria hede ya gutafadio kwa draw ino president wa kema mupira maguru ku bururi-ini Nick Mwendwa ni akenire kwirutira gwa Safaricom gukorwo magikuria tarada.
This is our hallmark project in terms of youth, executed so well, so cleanly. I think we both partners appreciate this so well, and we are asking that we extend this contract for another 5 years, so we can show Kenyans what great job can be done. The women, the girls teams you have seen here, you know, Ngaka from Makueni, Tata girls, bringing through the talent we need now for our national teams, because we are targeting both successful girls and boys in the future.
Atagoria a timu ici ni makorwo magitafania draw kuria timu ya wa girls mekorwo magicemana timu ya Tata Girls. Muhotani wa gicigo kia Nairobi akorwo agicemana timu ya Archbishop Jenga kuma mwena wa Western. Plateau Queens makorwo magicemana timu ya Ngaka Talent, timu ya Limuru Talents mekorwo makigera ikereka aria semi final amumatiri na mong'ethaniri. Mwena wa anake Mukumu Boys mekorwo making'ethana timu ya Shimba Hills. Al Hiyat makorwo making'ethana Muhotani wa gicigo kia Nairobi. Nao Ombek Red Devils makorwo making'ethana timu ya Euronauts aria ni ahotani agushanishi mwena wa Central. Mwingi Juniors mekorwo making'ethana timu ya Kapenguria Heroes. Hadini ya Kameme TV ya Koretani kijana gusa gadho wanyito.
Konga mwamba kule. Anapiga kile